Listen to this video.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be rearranging my house for you to see.
Now, listen to this video.
I woke up today and the only thing on my mind was I'm bored of my house, something needs to change.
Do you notice the difference? Now that is the importance of storytelling. Now, in case you're new here, hi, my name is Adenike and I'm a creative storyteller, and this is our storytelling series part 1. Now let's start from the basics. What is storytelling? Storytelling is literally different things to different people. But to me as a creative storyteller, storytelling is not just about visuals, it's also about how I can communicate and be verbal with my audience. It's basically how I can keep my audience engaged with my contents, not just for the first 3 seconds, but up to the last 3 seconds of that same video. Now enough of all the big English, let's come down to your level. Storytelling can be best understood if you break it into 4 different parts: the hook, the problem, the solution, and the call to action. Now, the hook, as you know, it is one of the most talked about part of your storytelling techniques. You need to have people on lockdown on your first 3 seconds of the video, according to the professionals, but I don't believe that, because guess what? If your hook is strong but the detailing part of your video is not as good as the hook, people might not even watch up to the end. And now the question remains, how can you involve all 4 parts of this storytelling technique into your content to communicate better to your audience, drive visibility, or get better results from your content? And this is entirely simple. Always start your videos with a compelling hook, and then state the problem that your video intends to solve for people, then go into the solution and move on to the call to action. However, storytelling does not have a particular pattern. You get to freestyle it the way you want, as creative as you want to be. For example, some days I decide to start my videos with call to actions. Instead of saying, if you want to get better results for your content, watch this video, I'll say something like, save this video first if you know you want to get results for your content. That is a call to action before the actual hook. Now I have to stop here because I want to go into better details in the next part of this series. But if you want to learn how to tell better stories, incorporating this into your content to bring out your creativity and communicate better with your audience, then you might want to follow me, because the part 2 of this series is going to be dropping very, very soon. You see what I just did there? That is a call to action.